guys, welcome back. This is Ginny from Polly's Paper Studio. Today I get to share my design team allotment from Gypsy Soul Laser Cuts. And you know I'm going to start with the frames first because those are always my favorite. And Gina has some really great new frames, different varieties for you to check out. And I am so in love with them. I cannot even tell you how excited I am to get to play with these. So this is the Daisy frame in a square. This one is the Flower Frame AD. Daisy frame in a circle. How cute is that? Can you imagine putting some small gem or pearl on the center of those daisies? That would be just amazing. Here is one I have had previously, but I just really liked it a lot. This is the Scribble Frame Heart and Flower. So that whole portion in the middle comes out. And it's kind of a delicate wreath shape, but then you get the accent of the heart or the flower. This is a Fleur and Flourish frame, sort of like a die-cut doily, but with nice dimension. I've had this one as well, and I really liked it for using to mat journal cards. So this works out to be like really practical if you're working with a collection. Chevron frames, and there's two different sizes in there. Here is arched window frame in large and small. These are cool. Art Nouveau frame. There's many different sizes here, so I'll just go through very quickly. Frame 4. That's very delicate, isn't it? This one is frame 2, so it's slightly different. Just a similar style, but different design. And then Art Nouveau frame 3 and Art Nouveau frame 1. That's a good size for a card. Layered wire frame tulip. So you can imagine the larger pieces come out and it would be a nice base with a layering piece to go on top. Frame Arliss. So it has some foliage around a circle-shaped frame. Lace frame square. Oh my goodness. This one's going to be my favorite. I can tell already. It's just so beautiful. And it's larger, so you're going to be able to get some chunky embossing powder or different finishes because there's enough room to get the good effects on it. This one is frame Astrid. That's a very delicate around the outside, so sweet. This is good for 6x6 cards if you want to frame the whole outside. And then frame Lavinia. So this is, to my way of thinking, a little bit tropical. It has like some foliage around the outside. Next up I have Halloween. And this is the spiderweb shape set. I went through this several times over last year. They're great sizes to add and layer in on your Halloween projects. Here are some rickety fence with cats. So cute. Got a couple of those. And then this one is the spiders and webs. So you got some corners here as well as the full-size webs and then some spiders. Those will be fun. Now we're into Christmas and we're working on Christmas in July right now, so that is such perfect timing. These little snowflake borders are absolutely stunning. And you get the effect of like a punched border, but with the dimension, so that's beautiful. I get these a lot, and I think they're for 4th of July or Christmas or whatever holiday they seem to work, the stars borders. Here is a snow globe micro mini, so you can see that you build that up to get the dimension, and then you can put your scene inside. How cute are these holly frames? This one is square, and that's really going to be a lot of fun to alter, I think, because you can do each of the leaves and then put maybe like red stickles for your holly berries. And then the same theme, but in a round frame. These are more snowflakes, but this time is a flourish, so they kind of are connected to a flourish and then they come off the sides. This is really cute. Gingerbread house. There's lots of different elements in here. I didn't open it because the video is going to be long enough already, but all the little bits and pieces you'd expect to add to a gingerbread house. So windows and candy canes and wreaths and trees and shutters, which are really cute. There's a lot of pieces in here, so you probably can use all of them on this project, but you can also, you know, save some out and put on other different projects. That goes a long way. There's a couple of flourishes here. They're kind of organic, nature inspired. This one is an acorn border set. You could use this for fall, I think, but if you finished it with just green, I think it would be equally as nice just as a foliage layer under flowers. And then this one is a rose border. So it looks delicate on the inside, but the cutout on the outside is fairly substantial, so it will be easy to work with. These are trading coin tops. This is the coin. And then here are the add-ons. You can include some undersea theme. And this one's Halloween. Oh my goodness. I love this so much. I wish I could work on Halloween today. That cat. Circus. Beach. And then Alice. I guess that's Alice in Wonderland. And then they just fit over top. And you can layer up your trading coins or use them to make ornaments or embellishments for your cards. A couple of ones that didn't seem to fit in a different category here are just some window shutters, stamps, postage stamps, ring stains. This would be cool for mixed media because it's like my coffee cup stain on everything all the time. And a couple of tickets. These are layered tickets, so you could add the cutout portion over the solid so that you can get a layered look. So this one has dream and this one has family, which is so perfect. So here's a couple that are meant for kids projects. So Welcome to the Jungle is really cute. This looks like a nice layering piece. You got the top, which you could, you know, do all your detail work and then put it over the base so that you get some dimension. That's really cute with a little giraffe. And then a couple of circus themed ones. This one is circus frame and Not My Circus, and they both have like a big top sort of theme. A couple last things here is a specimen box. So this is one of the 3D pieces, and it has portions like a specimen box where you could separate them into compartments. And then this is a gorgeous frame with no tag, but I think it's a shadow box frame, and you get quite a few in here for layering, so that will go a long way. Okay, so that is my haul for this quarter from Gypsy Soul Laser Cuts, and I will be sure to leave a link to the shop. There's too many items in here to link separately, but you can find them easily on the website. So in the description you can find the link to that, as well as links to our social media sites, and you can find us on Instagram and Facebook and our blog and our Etsy shop. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a like and leave me a comment. And if you're not already, I would love for you to subscribe. As always, I'm wishing you a happy and productive day, and I thank you so much for watching. Bye.